The latest generation of hitch racks makes it easier than ever to transport your bike without the hassle of wrestling it into your car. These are designed to haul your pedaled possessions without a rattle. We've evaluated and tested dozens to see which do that job the best. And our picks for the best hitch-mounted bike racks vary by position. There are many products available to choose bike racks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews and complete a list of the best bike racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Allen Bike Racks. Patented design fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Consult manufacturer website for specific vehicle fit information. Comes fully assembled setup and installs in seconds. 12-inch long carry arms easily accommodate a wide range of bicycle styles and 115-inch wide carry arms for greater bike compatibility. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. 70 pounds max capacity. Folds fully flat for easy storage. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Important, please consult manufacturer web page for specific vehicle fit. Target gender, unisex. Side straps for increased lateral stability. Single configuration design eliminates setup hassles and headaches during installation. Individual tie-downs secure and protect bicycles. Padded lower frame keeps bicycles away from vehicle. Comes fully assembled setup and installs in seconds. 12-inch long carry arms easily accommodate a wide range of bicycle styles and 115-inch wide carry arms for greater bike compatibility. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. 70 pounds max capacity. Number 2. Allen Bike Racks. Features. Hitch insert fits 2 in receiver hitches. Patented tie-down cradle system individually secures and protects bicycles. Carry arms fold out of the way when not in use. Rack tilts back for easy liftgate access. No wobble bolt eliminates movement of rack inside of hitch. All retainer clips attached with lanyards to prevent lost parts. Minor assembly required. Black powder coated finish. Number 3. Allen Bike Racks. Need an on-the-spot 2-bike carrier but don't want to carry a full-sized rack around? Turn to the Allen MT2 Ultra Compact 2-bike carrier, which folds up small and fits in almost any bag, including your backpack. Ideal for traveling, commuting, and other occasions when a portable bike rack might come in handy. The rack is small yet secure, with 3 padded legs that rest against your vehicle and 3 adjustable straps that secure to your car's hatchback or trunk gaps. Just as importantly, the rack holds your bikes in a safe position thanks to the tie-downs and padding, which combine to keep your bikes from rocking or making contact with your vehicle. And when you're done using the rack, simply fold it up and store it inside the included carrying bag. The 2-bike rack, which sports a grey powder-coated finish, is designed to fit sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Number 4. Maxhaul Bike Racks. Versatile hitch compatibility, designed for use on Class I, 2, 3, and 4 hitches. This bike rack adapter offers versatility for various types of vehicles. Secure bike transportation. This bike rack platform is designed to comfortably hold and safely transport 2 bicycles. The hooks and tire cradles are adjustable to accommodate a wide range of bike frames, including those with wheel diameter ranging from 20 to 26, wheel width up to 2 to 1/4, and wheelbase up to 63. Compact design, engineered with a removable vertical post for compact and space-efficient storage. Stable design. The built-in locking knob maintains the main upright's stability, significantly reducing wobble during transport for a smoother journey. Number 5. Allen Bike Racks. Patented quick snap setup design allow for super quick setup right out of the box. 12-inch long carry arms easily accommodate up to 2 bicycles 70 pounds max capacity. Individual dual compound tie-down cradles secure and protect bicycles. 2 patented sure strap lower straps keeps bottom hooks in place during use. Extra large car pads help to distribute bicycle's load and protect vehicle finish. Padded lower frame protects vehicle, and left and right side straps for lateral stability. Simple, sturdy design fits most sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Consult Allen's Rack Finder for specific vehicle fit. Individual dual compound tie-downs with quick secure straps protect your bicycles during transport. Fully assembled, installs in seconds.
That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.